We out here at Armando's pad. Bro, just got some long tubes. Just helping them install them. Hopefully we can get it started today. Should be cool. The boy got one stock manifold off already. Ooh.
Hopefully it slides right in.
What they are?
1 7/8. Long 2 betters.
Hell yeah.
Look at the difference.
Stock? Holy crap.
You know what's crazy? This one weighs more too.
Yeah.
I love weighs more.
Oh yeah, this shit's about to wake up, dude.
I love, bro.
Can't go wrong with some Kooks.
For real.
You just got the motor mount loose. Hopefully we can get this one on. We need this one to sound like that one. The driver's side went through. Just about to put the bolts in and then probably get started on the next one. Or actually, you got to throw the motor mounts on this side back on, huh? Yeah. This side's a little bit less clearance, but we were able to get it done. Hopefully everything goes cool after tightening all these bolts up. All right, guys, bad news. So the bolt that we were trying to get in, the slot where the bolt goes, it was too small. It was like, it looked like crushed, huh?
Yeah.
So we're just gonna file the hole, give it a little bit more clearance, and then we'll put it back in, see if it works. Cause it wasn't going in for shit.
We were like this, thinking it was going in.
Yeah, and it wasn't going anywhere, bro, for like 30-40 minutes straight. But yeah, Armando has some tools in the back, and he's gonna go file it down real quick, and we'll give you guys an update. So it was this one right here. It wasn't fitting, but Armando grinded it down. We're about to see.
We about to see? What do you mean? We about to get this shit done.
All right, guys. It's Saturday morning. We stayed up till like 11:30 last night at Armando's house. That header is just not wanting to line up. We're gonna try to clean one of the threads out that we were having trouble with. I brought a tap and die set. I'm heading over to Andrew and Aiden's house. We're gonna eat some breakfast real quick and then wait for Armando to get off of work. I think he gets off at noon. And then pray for the best. We're gonna catch you guys at Armando's pad though. All right, we used one of these to clean up the threads. Armando said it worked out. We're gonna try to throw the header on now. And then hopefully we can catch you guys when it's all bolted in. All right, headers are on, mounts are on. Need to connect the headers to the X pipe, right? Oh shit. About to get this shit done. Damn, he put the new deck lid on too. Got the boys here. Armando got his headers finally installed. We're gonna go out tonight, get some sound clips for you guys and some cinematics, rollers. Shit, we're gonna do everything tonight. All right, guys, we're in the 5-0. We're gonna drive to a spot, take some pics. Sheesh. Jesus. You can bust a left right here. At that stop sign, make it right. Alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed that little ride. We're gonna go for another trip real quick. But damn, how long did the process take, bro?
It was like 5 days, I think.
Fuck.
But each day we work on it for probably like 3-4 hours.
Yeah.
So honestly, I think it was good progress. We would have been done, but we just had little shit that came
Yeah.
just pushed it back.
Yeah, for real. But damn, dude, this shit sounds super good. And then you got some new mods, bro, in the back. You want to tell us a little bit about that?
So this is just the worker bill. I had it on for like about a couple weeks, but this I really put on today. I don't know if you can see it good.
Yeah, we're probably gonna need a little flash. Oh yeah, it has a little
indentation.
Yeah.
Kind of makes it look more aggressive. I did that today, and then the Euro tail lights, the clear.
Yes, sir. We're gonna try to set up a GoPro on the bumper.
Hey, hopefully that shit don't fly off when I run over that shit.
Nah, we'll be good. See if we can get some more sound clips for you guys. Just enjoy these cinematics. We came to a little spot in downtown, and we kind of lost some daylight because the fucking clouds that came out of nowhere. But hope you guys enjoy all these clips. Look what just pulled up. Holy shit. The boy Richard pulled up and the ISF just pulled up. This is nice. On the TEs. Damn. Super clean.
It's only got 88,000 miles.
Damn. That's hella good, bro.
And then it's on air.
What?
Coils in air.
Sick.
So it has coilovers and it has what's called a cup kit on top. So where I can raise up the front and the rear.
Oh yeah. Sheesh. You can never scrape, huh? Armando's about to do a quick roll with the Type R. Shout out to the boy for letting us scope out the ISF. Shit, let's go see how this turns out. Alright, we just got to Mexico. Armando's about to hit some flybys real quick. We're gonna get an outside POV and then we'll give you guys an inside POV. Them Kooks Headers, bro, they just sound so good. Bro, you guys are flying.
Bro, that shit gets it every gear. It's like, bah, 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 bah.
All right, let's
Bro,
fucking bounce, food, because that shit's loud as fuck. Ending off the vlog on a fucking cool ass night. Appreciate the boy for coming out. We're gonna call it right here, guys. Shit, we'll catch you guys on the next one.